So this morning I looked on Auto Trader and then the weather did this. And then I came outside, got in the car, started it up, put my foot on the clutch, and that happened. And then looked underneath the car, and apart from all the raindrops, saw the hydraulic fluid. I can't believe it. Clutch slave cylinder's gone. So that means gearbox out, clutch out. It's an internal slave cylinder. It's inside the bell housing, so the entire thing's got to come out. So new clutch, the lot. So fortunately we weren't driving when it went. Obviously you can see we managed to park it right up to the garage yesterday and it was all good, it was all working fine. It's just literally overnight come out and it's thrown a wobbly. So I know with the 170 brake horsepower JTDMs that this one is, they've got a dual mass flywheel as well, and quite often if you've been driving it and it's gone, you might end up damaging that, and that alone can be £700-800. So I'm really not looking forward to the bill on this one. Unfortunately I haven't got the time to be able to do it on the driveway. I need the car as soon as possible. I've got a day job that I need to do as well, so I'm going to have to get it booked into the garage. So I'll get some quotes, I think, find out some prices and get it booked in as soon as possible. I really can't believe it. After I gave it such a good clean and a treat at the weekend, this is what it does to me. So until we get that sorted, no more videos on this for a little while. So I'll come back to you when it's all done and let you know how it went. Fingers crossed we'll get it sorted. Thanks for now, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.